As I stand before you, I'm eclipsed by the stillness. I take a lone walk through the mysteries in you, basking in the floating whispers that hush the deafening tremors. I realize every step forward is a step inward. Swayed by your virgin wind, I wander your path. It makes me open up to a new world that awakens in the fragrance of a new fold. I follow you to the prayer of silence, and the gods descend to entice. Open your doors so I can see within me endless soulscapes. As the distance between us fades, I am a child again, collecting pebbled memories. You draw me into your dance of serenity, asking my whole being to leap in, join in. Come with nothing, you say. Come with just a desire to truly, madly, deeply open up.